In this video, we will see how to set up Gove Smart Plug, Wi-Fi pairing app setup and voice assistant. For this guys, first of all, you download the Gove app home from the Play Store and the App Store. After that, turn on the Bluetooth and allow your app to access your devices like your Wi-Fi. So first connect 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network because many of the smart plug does not support it the 5 Wi-Fi. After that, plug your smart plug in the wall outlet and then put it into the pairing mode until the indicator lights begin flashing. If flashing lights mean the plug is ready to connect, the exact indicator behavior may be vary depending on the model. Then guys, add the smart plug in the app. For this, first you go to the downloaded application, then click the option of plus icon and select your smart plug. After that, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi name and the password when the request, and keep both Bluetooth enabled and wait for app to complete the connection. Once connected, give the plug a recognizable name such as bedroom lamp or the coffee machine. After that, test and configure the smart plug. Connected the compatible application to the plug and use the Gove app home to turn it on and off. And you can also confirm useful features such as schedule, countdown timer, group controls, and Alexa or the Google Assistant. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.